Conducting alien autopsies. One of the most disturbing theories surrounding Area 51 is the belief that the base is used for conducting autopsies on extraterrestrial bodies. This theory has been fueled by stories and reports of gruesome experiments, with some claiming that the government is not only studying the anatomy of aliens but also dissecting their bodies in highly secretive and unethical ways. The foundation for this theory was laid by a 1995 television documentary, Alien Autopsy Fact or Fiction, which presented what was allegedly a real autopsy video of an extraterrestrial being. Although the video was later revealed to be a hoax, it stoked public imagination and created a lasting connection between Area 51 and the idea of alien dissections. The hoax only served to add more intrigue, as the public began to wonder whether the US government had real footage of such procedures, hidden away within the facility's classified archives. Over the years, many people have come forward claiming to have witnessed or participated in alien autopsies at Area 51. One of the most well-known accounts came from a man named Dr. Richard F. Haynes, a former NASA scientist. Haynes suggested that there was a consistent pattern of extraterrestrial beings being recovered and studied by military personnel, possibly through the use of cutting-edge forensic technology. Though there is no concrete evidence to verify these claims, they have become part of the ongoing lore that surrounds the top-secret base. Despite the lack of hard proof, the idea that Area 51 is a site for alien autopsies remains one of the most persistent and chilling theories. The idea that the government is concealing such dark and secretive operations only heightens the intrigue, and the public's desire to uncover the truth about what really happens behind the gates of Area 51.